Anthony pinagsabay si Maris at Jam? Matapos umamin at humarap sa media, may mga nilinaw si Maris Racal patungkol sa ilang screenshots na ipinapakita ni Jam Villanueva, ang ex-girlfriend ni Anthony Jennings. Ayon kay Maris, nabasa niya lahat ng ipinost ni Jam sa Instagram stories at isa sa mga nabanggit niya ay yung pangungumusta sa huli. Paliwanag ng aktris, kinamusta niya si Jam kay Anthony hindi dahil alam niyang sila pa kundi dahil aware siyang may pinagdadaanan ang una. Alam kong she was going through something and Anthony had to take care of her. But at that time, nagtatrabaho pa rin kami and he would still be the same way to me, wika ni Maris sa pinakita ng ABS-CBN News. Nabanggit din ng actress na ilang beses siyang nagtanong kay Anthony kung nagkabalikan sila ng ex-jowa dahil nga nauna nang nagsabing aktor sa actress na break na rin sila ni Jam nung time na umamin si Maris na naghiwalay na sila ng ex-boyfriend na si Rico Blanco. Ang sinagot naman daw sa kanya ni Anthony ay hindi. Nang tanungin din daw niya ang aktor kung mahal pa nito si Jam, ang sagot din daw nito ay no. He would say things na ako ang gusto niya and all. Kaya I asked him so many times pagbubunyag ni Maris. Kasunod niya, ni-reveal din ni Maris na ilang beses niyang kinukulit si Anthony na maglabas na ng official statement kung totoong break na sila ni Jam. Lalo't na't nasasaktan na raw kasi ang actress sa mga pambabash at pambibintang ng maraming netizens. I asked him when you are gonna release a statement na wala na kayo. When? Because in the eye of the public, you are taken but I know you're not. He would tell me that he was waiting for the right moment, sambit ni Maris. Patuloy niya, I didn't want to be pushy. I didn't want to aggravate things so I waited and keep quiet because I wasn't my story to tell anyway. I keep quiet. Dagdag niya, God knows how many times ako nagpakiusap para sa statement. Nakiusap ako para for this because I was tired of getting bashed. He said wait. He is waiting for the right moment. May sinabi rin si Maris nung nag-release ng statement si Anthony tungkol sa breakup nila ni Jam. To me, it was too late because at that time, I was slowly distancing myself from him romantically. The infatuation and then the attraction died. But thank you for the statement. Anya pa, I thought everything was in the clear. I thought everything was gonna be okay. Ilang days na ang lumipas.